Hermes unboxing. I know you guys think I'm crazy. It was free. Oh, Hermes. Oh, I love thee. Because of all these drops, like, why are they doing all these drops? When you see it online, you have to. It's like you have to buy it. It's like you won the lotto if you. But like for Hermes, like that means like those bags are now in circulation and like more and more people have them, and the bags are less. I don't know. It makes them less exclusive, right? If like anybody can just go on and buy it. A big box, a big H box. That can only mean one thing. You guys know what that means. Okay, see you. Hermes unboxing. Hermes.com unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shop chic shithead, and Hermes. Oh, and today we're doing another Hermes.com unboxing. Another bag from Hermes.com. What? I know you guys think I'm crazy. I am crazy. But, caveat, I didn't buy this. This is my friend's, and I get to unbox it. They were able to get it, and this is my friend's bag from Hermes.com. My friend's bag from Hermes.com, they're allowing me to unbox. So thank you, but it's not mine. But we're gonna share it. Obviously we're gonna share it. I love sharing bags with people because then you get double the wardrobe, triple the wardrobe. I love sharing bags with this particular friend because we both have a huge collection and we both are meticulous and take care of our bags. So I'm really excited about this unboxing because basically it was free because I'm not paying for it. And I get to use it and unbox it and okay. So anyway, I'm going to do a quick Hermes unboxing from Hermes.com. It is a popular bag, not another hack a dose, don't worry. My young. It's another bag. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider grabbing and keep on watching. It's one of the very popular bags. That's all I say. Hermes.com's been doing more drops. I don't know if I posted or if you guys have seen my Hermes.com video, but they keep doing it like literally every day now. I keep trying to post on my story and on my TikTok and on my YouTube. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on my YouTube shorts. I'll post it as soon as it drops in the morning. It's been like every day now almost, especially in August, in September, July, August, every day. But they've been dropping bags, which also begs the question, which might be another video conversation, but like because of all these drops, like why are they doing all these drops? Are they trying to just appease customers and give them the access to bags? Or are they trying to increase? There's only one of each bag. It's very hard to get. It's very, very hard to get. Or are they trying to increase more demand or like visibility and make it more just like all these other bags are coveted now, not just quota bags, and people are going to chase after the other bags? Or is it to, I don't know, give people, that chance and make them feel good to steer them away from getting their quota bag and be like, oh, well, you got that bag at least. I don't know. But also, like, all these drops means all these bags are being sold and people are getting them more and more. And they're every day. And sometimes they'll have, when the Vintage Post bag dropped, which I did a video on, they had like 60 of it, which maybe is not a lot of bags, but like for Hermes, like that means like those bags are now in circulation and like more and more people have them, and the bags are less. I don't know. It makes them less exclusive, right? If like anybody can just go on and buy it. Not that I don't want anyone to go buy it. Good for you. Go get it. If you want to get it. And I feel like that's equal opportunity. That's good for Hermes. But it's maybe making the excitement of these bags and the value of them less interesting. Like, because when you get offered a bag, it's like, and also, but conversely, also when you get a bag, when you see it online, it's like you have to buy it. When you see it online, it's like you have to buy it. It's like you won the lotto if you can get it, if you can buy it, and you get it. And it goes. That's why I bought so many of these bags. That's why I bought so many Hackadoses. Like, I got them. They're impossible to get, and I got them. Like, I've put in so many bags in my cart and tried every time, and I lose them, or it buys and then it deletes them later and says, sorry, they canceled the order. That's happened so many times. So when you get it, you feel like you won the lottery. So you just and it's like, it is shopaholicism at its nature. Like you see the bag, you put it in your cart, you have to get it, you buy it. You have like literally a split decision to buy, because as soon as it loads, there's like 20 options. You got to pick the one you want and you got to put it in your cart and get it. Not try to get 2 or 3 or wait, because if you get that one, you want to get that one before somebody else does, especially if there's only one of it. Which usually there's only one. Anyway, like I said, I have all the Hermes.com video that I deep dive into it, which you guys should check it out. But we're gonna do an unboxing of this, okay? Yeah, I'm really excited because it's not mine. I just get to open it. So my friend got it, didn't even tell me they just got it, and then but they're out of town, so I obviously had to grab it from their place. So I got it for them so that it wasn't just sitting there and you know, got stolen. So I went and got the bag, and they actually got 2 bags. So there's another one coming, so I'm gonna do another boxing of that one too. So they got it right after. Oh, Hermes. Oh, I love thee. That's what it looks like inside. Okay. Oh wow, they never did this for mine. It's all wrapped in this, like this kind of thing. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Look at our mat. Okay, hand wash. Ooh. Wow, this is really much more nicely packed than mine. Which just tells you it's a nicer bag. Okay. Let's see how much. Oh, okay. I see you. So, here we go. Oh. I feel bad. I'll do this. It's not right. Okay. You guys guess? You want to guess? Oh. Oh my god, it smells so good. Here we go. Oh. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this bag. Oh. Okay. Let me do this way because it's the right way. It's an Evelyne 33. So it's a little bit bigger than the 29, way bigger than the 16 in a taupe with contrast stitching. Let me make sure it's a taupe with contrast stitching, and it's huge, and palladium hardware. And look at that, it's already got the flop. I love the contrast. I love that it's got the white stitching. Oh. Okay. Let's see. I love this. I love this. I love this. It's already slouchy and floppy. I think it's in Clemence. Let's see. I think they're all in Clemence usually. It doesn't say. Evelyne 333 bag. I assume it's in Clemence. You guys, my heart. And it's got a second pocket here for like other. I know it's not mine, but I'm gonna use it because best friends. One of my best friends. One of my best friends. Okay, strap. Strap. Oh, perfection. It's like a kind of like a brown strap. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like almost a little bit different. Like it. Also, this color is like kind of brownish and kind of grayish. Oh, I love you. Okay, the plastic's still on. I'm not gonna take those off because that's not my place to do. I'm not gonna actually put it on. Should I? No, I'm not gonna do that. That's not nice. Okay, but that's what it looks like, and that's what it will look like with a strap. And it's gonna sit like that. I die. I love having friends that like the same things that I do. Double the pleasure, double the fun. I'm getting my sister into like luxury which has been great. Like, okay, I'm gonna put it back away because, like I said, not my bag. But I have never seen a taupe in person because I only have a tan. I have gris tan. But a taupe is kind of like a gray brown, and I'm here for it. It is so nice in person. Yay! Okay, all right, that's all I got. Congrats to my friend and congrats to me. What do you guys think? Do you guys have this? It's bigger than the 29, the black 29 that I have. That also I share with a friend. So now I have 2 Evelyns that I share, and 4 mini Evelyns of my own. 4 mini Evelyns of my own, 2 Evelyns that I share. 2 bigger Evelyns that I share. I gotta hold. Okay, we'll do some stuff with this one later. But okay, all right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate to share with your enemies, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you.